What is up, my guys and girls of YouTube? It is your boy Justin Omoe, and isn't my wall kind of like boring? The black, the red, the YouTube plaque. This is where the homies down at AeroZoom hooked your boy up with some stuff here. And I got 3 different panels right here. There are arts on these panels, as you may notice right here. I know there's plastic, my bad, I'll peel it off just now. Let's go ahead and install them up. You're fired. You're fired! Aw, man, I ripped off a lot of it. Over the 4 or 5 plus years, you can see it collects dust. Nobody likes that. There you go. You can see the type of material it is right there. Frame. So that's this one, and let's take a look at the other 2. Bam. If you didn't notice, this one's kind of like different from the rest. That's because I made this. Yeah, that's right. You could create your own design and send it to them and they will create a custom art for you. And I'm really like glad, like it looks very on par with what I created. And you can see right here a video of what I created. What's the word? Comparison. And you can see even with gradients like the blue and red stroke that I have here, to kind of replicate this pill. So for those who are interested in getting a custom art, hit that link up and you'll see more about it. And lastly, here's this flower one, which is really, really nice. I like the blue with the hint of red, that contrasting color. Is it called contrasting color? This is the pieces that they come with, the plastic anchors. So you just dank it in the wall, and then these are gonna hold up on the back of these, which are, you can see here, gold tooth anchors. And for those curious, here's the corners. It's like stapled into the frame. Alright, so pretty much I made the level on. I traced around the edges, then I went ahead and did 3 3/4 of an inch away from the corners to be able to put these little tack things in. I'll hammer them in, I'll put the painting on top, and then I'll put the bubble on top to make sure it's measured, it's leveled, and once it is, we're pretty much good. And it took roughly about 25 minutes to get on and set up, and you can see the bubble here. I made it as middle as, you know, I could without stressing about it. I measured it and it is equidistant to this thing here. By the way, hit subscribe if you want to support your boy. So you can see the little dot right there. So yeah, and then hopefully I could get this in the middle. If not, I'm sorry. But you can see that the dot is like touching the same center axis as the other one over there. So my hearing is good. Now for an acoustic panel to work out, we gotta get like a good corner reflection point. On this side, we can't really attach anything, but over here, thankfully, if I were to show you, hello buddy. So we gotta have the acoustic panel cover this area right here. Cool, cool. Oh man, definitely better, right? So whenever if I were to feel unmotivated, just look around the room and bam, right there. That's a nice piece. I could appreciate the art and then be like, how did this creator do this, do that, and you know, it'll revitalize my motivation. Not to mention the poster that I made here. If I get depressed, I just turn my head to the left and music is my medicine. Bam, instant creative boost, instant motivation, instant bringing yourself back up, all in a poster, an acoustic absorbing panel poster. I'll go ahead and take the posters down and give you a clap test, see how that works. Oh, this is a pretty cool angle. Here's with it on. Have I mentioned these are only 1 parts of like a set of 3, and there's many different combinations you could look and choose from. But yeah, guys and girls, this is AeroZoom's pretty much custom art as well as their own art that you could do. And as far as I know, I've only seen AeroZoom do this type of thing where they could print your own customs on there. If you guys and girls are interested in getting one of these, be sure to hit up the link in the description below, and also don't forget to use this code right here. So yeah, thank you guys and girls for listening. It's your boy Justin Omoe, and with that being said, peace. I'm out. And please have yourselves a dang good one.